A great Tesla win video coming right up.
Power target trades, power trigger trade.
All right, January 31st. On January 31st, I posted this update. Tesla, February 04 950 calls is what we will look to use. Tesla can test back to 1,000 to the 1,100 area. I will post the buy stops, but we are going to look for a break of 880 for entry into those calls for Tesla for today. A 9:25 a.m. update. So basically, I posted that about 5 minutes before the open, as that's what I had to figure out through what's called adaptive thinking of what was the best thing for us to do. And here I posted the buy stops about one minute later, and it took about 4 minutes for it to confirm. We were inside it within about 4 minutes, right? So Tesla buy stops can be set at $900, and I'm going to go into the charts and show all the facts where the options were. But this is what we were grinding with skill. This came after a huge win. Now I'm going to tell you before I go into this video a little longer. Basically, in end of December, we had a 900% win on 1K options. That means 900%, 1K, greater than 900% actually, right? And I'm going to link that video to this video, so pay attention. So we had one loss in the Tesla during the market pullback, because the market pulled back, and then we never really entered in anything else. So we kept very strong with a huge win in Tesla, then a loss of about 80% to 100% win, to 100% gain, keeping the gains of the 900% win in Tesla above 800%, or we'll say 850% gains, while avoiding losses, while not being stuck in anything, waiting for confirmation. And this was one of the plans that really helped out. So basically, Tesla confirmed at $940. You notice I put the stop at 9, but they popped it over 880, which cost 40 cents more per option for entry. Did it matter? Absolutely not. You should see, I explained that. They popped it hard over it. Listen, step by step, I tell people the facts. So, Tesla, for today, it's key we build above 870. And very good sign that we take out 900 as well. This is what we did, right? So we need stops to support 870 right now. For the February 04 950 calls at 1250. That's where they were. 1250 as Tesla hit over 897 area at 9:53 a.m. We should have stops set at 5. Now it never really went against the entry point. Barely anything. I would say no lower than $900, 908, no longer than 8. Basically, it kept building. We're going to look in the charts. Tesla, it is possible today, if all goes well, to bank 100% gains, which comes to us at 880 per option. So I'm preparing the group. Look out to get those gains. Bank 50%, which is what we did. Now, obviously, with our runners, we did not make the big gains, but we were prepared to make the big gains. But this was a good trade considering how difficult the market has been. Okay. Here it is, getting close to our profit targets at 10:55 a.m. Here it is, sold 50% at 1910 for the February 04 950 calls. Another great win, people, at 11:02 a.m. for Tesla. All step by step. And we're going to go into the charts and take a look. Now, we did get stopped out of the runners. I'm going to show you that information right now. So pay attention if you're really serious for success. And listen to me. I cannot really help people unless you're really serious for success, unless you're going to study and think. Year-round, we grind with skill. I tell the facts. If the market was easy, everyone would win. But the market requires a lot of strategy, focus, and consistency. Tesla, now we can place stops. You can see here on January at 11. So basically, we kept our stops at about 11. And then came Yeah. You can press pause to read some stuff here, but basically I'm going to go up here. I'm only reading unnecessary things, Tesla. Yeah, so basically 1150 options were 1740 area. So it chopped around, but ended up closing up higher. Okay, so we ended up holding all January 31st. Our options were at 2125 here. See, at 1255, I even tell you the times, go into the charts and see for yourself. I do take all this extra work to show people the facts. You know. We grind with skill year round. Study. It takes a lot of time to make these videos, right? And I make these videos to help those serious for success, to join a group that's free that can help you make money. I know how hard mentally the market is for people, and that's why I'm here making videos and explaining the facts and coaching people and telling them the facts. I tell you what you need to hear, not what you want to hear. All right then. Tesla, because it did bust above 925 with power, we will move stops to 1280. So then the last stops we left them at 1280, and this is what we did from 1:03 p.m. Okay, I'm just gonna go up here. We never went into McDonald's. Never showed the power. All right, so here's February the 1st. So Tesla's confirmed. What I was telling people, it is confirmed, but it's still got to do the right things, right? So what I explained on an update at 8:43 a.m., Tesla's confirmed that it can go test over 1,000 on this run, and is very bullish at 8:43. It was at around 9:43. Key pivots for today to stay above are 9:30, 9:25, 9. Basically, I told people, let's keep our stops. We will keep our stops at 12. So we moved them down to 12. And I think right here, what time we got stopped out here? We did hold 12, so half an hour into 8. Tesla would bounce and stuff like that. But basically, end of story, we got stopped out, but the options actually went down to, were very profitable again, but we were stopped out, right? All we do is we grind with the skills, based on what we could possibly do with these options that we had. And they did end up going, the runners, we're gonna go into the charts and take a look at the options now. Okay, so give me a second. So I'm at the charts right now. You can see here, so this was the day we entered, okay? And the open was 872.82, the high 936, and the low 862. We got in the 880 area, right? Probably 881 due to the extra popping action, okay? And next day was pretty stable. You can see that we closed at 931. I'm going to go to the options now to show how they traded and how well they did. So for 2 days, okay, basically we got over 100% gains easily, but we were looking for max gains, okay, and we didn't get it. We followed the rules, adaptive thinking rules, and we didn't get them. Again, we're always prepared to take action. It's called adaptive thinking. There's a lot of work involved in catching momentum style stocks. Tesla's going to be a major successful winner for us for the next decade. Massive wins to come. You have no idea how powerful this company is, or how much potential this company has. And a lot of people really don't understand it, but technically and fundamentally, I understand this company like nothing else. And we also have other great winners, but there's more to this than meets the eye. All right, this is the options chart for the. If you can see over here, when you'll see that in the yellow, Tesla February week 1 call 950. So that's for the February 04. That's what that means here. Week 1. It'll tell you over here. So you look over there, and I'm going to click here. So on the 28th, the open for those calls were 825. That's not when we entered, of course. We're 825, high 928, low 3, and the close was 493. So on that day, those options opened at 740. Okay, that's why it didn't take long to confirm, right? They opened at 740, and then, you know, it filled us. I had the buy stops at 9, right? So look on the January 31st, you can see there. Look at the arrow. It shows you the box. I'm clicking that again, and you see the open is 740, high 23.30, low 625, and close 21.75. So not only did we bank greater than 100% gains, our runners closed higher than what we banked them at. Okay, we banked them at 19.10, but they closed at 21. The next day, you can see that they opened at 20.10, the high 23.60, the low 10.75. We were stopped out, right? I had moved stops to 11.40, sorry, 11.70, a little lower than the 12. Okay, so I had the last thing I said I think was 12, but we did move them a little lower, and it closed at 14.73. So still in profits that day, but it was chopped. Right, we were out, and many times it surfaced above. They went back into the 20 area. But it is what it is. Right now, I'm making this video around 11:17. Options, of course, are down, but we are out of these. Right, we were out yesterday, even though they closed higher than we got out. That's it. It is what it is. We grind with skill. We follow the rules, and go for the next new clan. So there you have it, people. Welcome to Confirmation is Key, Power Trigger Trade. Over here, you can see here is the link to my YouTube channel. Click on it. There you'll be able to see a lot of the stored videos, year over year, great wins, stuff like in GME, AMC, Tesla, Costco, you name it. But the main focus is we've been winning year over year with massive wins in Tesla, catching the majority of the wins, and will continue to do so, grinding with adaptive skill. Okay, we grind with skill. Part of success is to keep your gains and make more gains, and be patient to wait for confirmation and be ready to take action. It's work. Nothing's for nothing. Tell how it is. That's why I tell people to study the facts. Send me a message, ask me questions, whatever it is. But I can only help those serious for success. Group is free. If you're serious for success, I look forward to helping those serious for success. Again, here's the link to the video, to the YouTube channel. Click on it. I look forward to helping those serious for success. Don't forget to subscribe. You can see this icon. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. This I'm showing you the Twitter account. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe and follow on Twitter.